The head of AI at Microsoft just put a countdown on your career. He said that within 12 to 18 months, artificial intelligence will reach human-level performance on most professional tasks. Lawyer, accountant, marketer, project manager. So I did the obvious thing. I gave AI those exact jobs, and I timed it. In this video, I run his prediction through 3 real tasks that professionals bill hundreds of dollars an hour for. You'll see exactly where the AI already hits human level and where it falls apart. And the one word in his quote that almost everyone missed, the word that decides whether you actually lose your job or not, that word is at the end. Stay for it, because it changes the entire answer. Here's why this isn't just another AI doom headline. This is the person building the systems, saying it out loud, and the data is already moving. A 2026 study found that in 1/5 of American jobs, AI now does at least half the tasks. But that same data hides a twist we'll get to. One line before we start. This is educational, not career or legal advice. The point is to show you the evidence and let you judge. Let's test the claim. First, his actual words, because they matter. Quote, "We're going to have human-level performance on most, if not all, professional tasks. White-collar work, a lawyer, an accountant, a project manager, a marketing person. Most of those tasks will be fully automated by an AI within the next 12 to 18 months. Notice he's not vague. He names your job. His reasoning is simple. Compute keeps growing. Models keep getting better at anything you do sitting at a computer. So the honest way to check him isn't to argue, it's to test. I picked 3 tasks these professionals actually charge for. Test 1, contract review. I gave an AI a 14-page services agreement and asked it to find the landmines. The same job a junior associate bills 6 hours for. 90 seconds later, it flagged 3 clauses worth about $180,000 in risk, including one buried in the definitions that a human junior often misses. And this isn't a fluke. In a controlled study, 20 experienced corporate lawyers reviewed NDAs against an AI. The lawyers caught 85% of the risks in 92 minutes. The AI caught 94% in 26 seconds. On this task, reading, spotting, comparing against known patterns, Suleyman is not exaggerating. The machine is at or above human level and 100 times faster. Score 1 for the 18-month clock. Test 2, the accountant's grind. Data reconciliation and report generation. Matching transactions, catching anomalies, drafting a summary. The 2026 labor data literally lists these as the first tasks being automated. I dropped a messy transaction export into an AI and asked it to reconcile and flag anything weird. It matched the rows, caught 2 duplicates and a misclassified expense, and wrote a clean, plain English summary a manager could read in a minute. Again, on the task, it's fast, tireless, and it doesn't get bored on row 4000, which is exactly where humans make errors. Score 2. And if you're a professional watching, your stomach is probably tightening. Good, because this is where almost every video stops, and where the real story starts. So is he right? 2 for 2. The AI matched the pros. Before you update your resume, go back to his quote. He didn't say jobs. He said tasks. Most of those tasks. That one word is the difference between losing your career and running it. Watch what happens when I test the 3rd task, the one AI cannot do. Test 3, judgment under accountability. I scaled the contract job to a stack of agreements, and on contract 4, the AI quoted a clause, confidently, that did not exist. It fused 2 real clauses into one fake one. If a junior had pasted that into an email to the other side's lawyers, that's a fireable mistake, and the AI would feel nothing. That's the wall. AI is brilliant at the task and blind to the stakes. It can't be deposed. It can't sign off. It can't sit across from a terrified client and decide which risk is worth taking. It doesn't own the outcome. You do. Every serious deployment I've seen runs the same way. AI does the first pass. A human owns every high-stakes call. The task got automated. The responsibility did not. And responsibility is what you're actually paid for. So here's the twist, the headline buried. When you automate the tasks inside a job, you don't automatically delete the job. You change what the job is. Economists have a 160-year-old name for this, the Jevons paradox. When steam engines made coal cheaper to use, we didn't use less coal. We used dramatically more. Make a resource cheaper, and demand explodes. Now make legal and financial work 10 times cheaper and faster. What happens? A late 2025 Vanguard study found the answer already. The roughly 100 jobs most exposed to AI are outperforming the rest of the market in both job growth and wages. Not shrinking, growing. Cheaper contract review means more contracts get reviewed. But here's the part that should actually scare you if you ignore it. The growth is not evenly shared. When accounting software arrived, it gutted entry-level bookkeeping, and the growth went to a smaller number of higher-skilled accountants. The task doers got squeezed. The judgment owners got richer. AI is running that same play across every white-collar field. Faster. So, the verdict on Microsoft's 18 months. For your tasks, he's basically right. A lot of what fills your day is already automatable, today. For your job, only if your job is nothing but tasks. The people at real risk aren't the ones using AI. They're the ones who are the AI, doing the manual, repeatable work a model now does in seconds. So the survival move for the next 18 months is not to outrun the machine. It's to climb above it, to become the judgment layer AI can't reach, the one who decides, who's accountable, who owns the client. You will not be replaced by AI. You'll be replaced by a professional who uses AI better than you do. So don't be the task. Be the one who directs it. I built a one-page plan for exactly that. Which of your tasks AI can take today, and how to move up the value chain before someone else does. It's free. First link in the description. And if you want to see the AI paralegal from Test 1 built from scratch, that video is right here. Start there.